A new chapter begins at Mirafiori with the Fiat 500 hybrid. 5,000 units planned by 2025. Production of the new Fiat 500 hybrid will officially begin at the Mirafiori Carrozzerie plant this November, with production targeting 5,000 units by the end of the year. Assembly of the pre-production vehicles is ongoing, marking a significant milestone in the industrialization process. The production schedule is fully in line with the roadmap outlined in the Stellantis plan submitted to the Italian Ministry of Enterprises and Production, MIMIT, in December 2024. It is expected that around 100,000 units will be added per year once the plant reaches full capacity. This represents a strategic boost for the revitalization of the historic Turin plant. The Fiat 500 hybrid combines iconic design with modern functionality and will be available in 3 body styles: Hatchback, 3+1 and Convertible, all made in Italy, equipped with a FireFly 1.0L mild hybrid engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. Offering advanced connectivity, the vehicle will feature the Uconnect 5 infotainment system with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, and a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance technologies optimized for urban driving. On the anniversary of the Fiat 500's debut, Fiat is bringing the beating heart of its heritage back to Turin. The historic Mirafiori plant is opening its doors to introduce a new production line dedicated to the hybrid version of its most iconic model, where it all began. Fiat is bringing the 500 back to the people and transforming the heritage and technology developed with the electric version into a more accessible form. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter, full of emotion, joy and vision, true to Fiat's true spirit. Production is set to begin this November, with 5,000 units to be delivered by the end of the year. Pre-series models have already rolled off the production line, confirming that the project is progressing exactly as planned, according to the strategic roadmap that Stellantis presented to the Ministry of Enterprises and Manufactures in Italy last December. This initiative represents a significant step in the revitalization of the Turin plant, which aims to increase production by 100,000 additional units per year. It is a decisive move to restore the industrial, human and symbolic central role of Mirafiori. The return of the 500 to its roots is more than just a production decision. It is a concrete sign of confidence in the Italian industrial supply chain's ability to meet the challenges of the energy transition and lead innovation. The new Fiat 500 hybrid is the natural evolution of an icon. Timeless and intergenerational, the unmistakable Fiat style now embraces the latest technologies and features, while maintaining the unique appeal that has always defined the 500. From the vibrant, sophisticated colors to the carefully selected materials, every detail has been carefully crafted to recapture the magic that makes the 500 not just a car, but a lifestyle experience. Because beyond the technology and style, it is still a 500, an icon that inspires, fascinates and represents a uniquely Italian way of understanding the car. The model will be available in 3 configurations to suit every need. The compact classic hatchback, ideal for urban driving. The innovative 3+1, with a rear-hinged third door on the passenger side, providing easier access to the rear seats. And the unique cabrio, the only open-top car in its segment, offering open-air driving pleasure. Under the bonnet beats a purely Italian heart. The 1.0L 3-cylinder FireFly mild hybrid engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 12V electrical system increases fuel efficiency and offers a smooth, accessible driving experience. It is a proven and popular powertrain that offers the best balance between driving pleasure, low consumption, and running costs. The highly connected and technology-packed 500 hybrid will feature the Uconnect 5 system, one of the most advanced in its segment. The customizable 10.25-inch high-resolution touchscreen will be complemented by a 7-inch digital display. Full wireless compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures intuitive and safe smartphone integration without distractions behind the wheel. The vehicle is equipped with a wide range of ADAS to ensure comfort and safety in urban environments. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist and traffic sign recognition, among other features designed for peace of mind on city roads.